It is August 8th, 2016, approximately 11 p.m. We're looking at this dark area, which is brand new in the last couple of weeks. It's just appeared. Water had always run down this wall. However, this darker area of discoloration is brand new in the last couple of weeks, and we're theorizing that it's the beginning of some form of mold spores. Again, we don't know that for sure yet. It's brand new. Obviously, we'd like to replace it right away and never find out for sure what it is. However, if that's not possible, I would suppose we'd probably need to have it tested and then consider our options regarding this new damage. Over here to the left, above the door frame, you can see the same thing in a more advanced state. The discoloration, which again we theorize is the beginnings of mold, and we don't know that for sure, but certainly that's what it seems to be. Water runs down from the plastic roof onto the wooden trusses, down the drywall wall, onto the OSB wall it abuts to, behind the OSB kickout on the wall, and out from under the OSB kickout onto the wall, where we see what we believe is the beginning of mold spores from where the water drips down onto the top of the door frame.